This 15-plus acre farm offers the perfect combination of rustic charm, modern comfort, and endless possibilities. From the handcrafted log house to the rolling fenced pastures, this remarkable Kentucky property is designed for those who appreciate country living. The three-bedroom, two-bath log house welcomes you with wood ceilings, exposed beams, and beautiful rustic finishes throughout. Inside, you'll find a spacious floor plan featuring a formal dining room, a large laundry room, stainless steel appliances, and inviting living spaces designed for both everyday comfort and entertainment. The bathrooms continue the home's distinctive character with custom whiskey barrel vanities that perfectly complement the rustic design. Step outside onto the covered front and back porches and take in breathtaking views of the fenced acreage, where horses and livestock can roam peacefully. The property's outbuildings add exceptional versatility, including an original home that has been thoughtfully repurposed into a two-stall barn with additional hay storage, along with a separate single-stall barn for livestock, equipment, or hobbies. An older trailer on the property also offers outstanding potential as a guest house, rental, caretaker's residence, or private retreat. Additional features include a heated and cooled two-car garage, complete with a half bath, making it an ideal workshop, entertainment space, or storage area for recreational vehicles. A covered shelter house with a fire pit creates the perfect gathering place for family and friends, while multiple storage sheds provide even more functionality for everyday farm life. Whether you're looking to raise horses, start a hobby farm, create a family homestead, or simply enjoy the peace and beauty of the countryside, this exceptional 15-plus